Alright, so as I mentioned, in this video we're going to be creating a body that we can use in our next episode to create the drawing, because I want to show that, but I'm not going to do something simple this time. I'm going to make like a full bed frame, right? It's something that I've wanted to do for a while, so I might as well do it here. Because the reason I'm doing that also on here right now is because that is going to give us a lot more measurements that we can use when we're making our drawing in the next episode, so I think that would be a great design to start off with. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create the full body length. But of course, because it's a bed, I'm going to make it to scale. So I'm just going to have to zoom out a bit first. Hopefully that should do it. We're going to create just a 2-point rectangle first, I think. We're going to have it as, I have the measurements here, 3,250. Wonderful. Okay. And we're going to extrude that up by 160 cm, so yeah, that should be good. Now the next thing that we're going to do, we're going to have this as the top of the bed, so I'm just going to create the next sketch here again, and we're going to have like a bit of storage up there because I want more areas. So we're not going to edit that part, we're actually going to bring this part down because I don't want the bed to be that high. We're going to bring it down by about yeah, a full meter. That still should have enough space. The next part we're going to do is we're going to just fillet these two. I want to give it like a nice edge and stuff. No, we're not going to fillet, sorry, we're going to chamfer it. Not too much, of course, though. I forgot to check for how much I wanted. I wanted it about, supposed to be here. Okay, yeah, that should work now. 8500 here, and then delete that, and 8500. Hopefully now it should be the 135, and I think that's much better now. Okay, yeah, perfect. So we're gonna get rid of these two bodies here. And I got the hiccups. Yeah, that took much longer than I expected. I kind of messed up, but yeah. Anyway, so that part's done for. Now we're gonna move on to this part actually here, because that's where I'm gonna do quite a bit of sketching. I'm just gonna create this part here, and then we can get rid of the body because I don't need that right now. What I do need to do is create, making like a thickness of the wood, so it's gonna be like 5 cm, right? So I'm just gonna put 5 cm on both here and here, and I can just take a square and, sorry, my apologies. The next part that we're going to do is we're going to create, so our length here is 2400. We can split this into 3, hopefully. Yeah, we can split it into 3. We're going to do 750, 5, 750, 5, and 750, I think, if that makes sense. So the first part, we don't need this line. We can use this. 750 here. I'll just bring down. And another 5 and 7. Wait, no, we didn't bring down. So we're gonna do 750 from here. Bring it down. And then 5. That should be 5, yes. 5, okay. And then this one should be 800, and that should be fine. Now what we can do is, we don't have to do that yet. What we can do next is get the distance of this part. Okay, here, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna get rid of this part here real quick, and then, so it's 425 is what we're going for, and we're gonna put a divider in the middle. Perfect, and then there, divider, and then 5 again, and then continue that, and then this part should be 425 also. Yep, perfect. That's gonna be the middle part. And for the sides, we can have like bookshelves. So we can do, yeah, we're gonna do 250 here. 5. I can get rid of this one now because I know where I'm going. And again another 5, sorry. And then here 250. Then we're gonna go in the middle. We're gonna go for 300. divide 5. Sorry, I keep switching between millimeters and cm when I'm talking, but yeah. And then for this part, we could just mirror, but I'm just gonna quickly connect this. Don't have to do the measurements, I can just see from the side. And yeah, we can just take these parts now and bring back the body. Actually, we're gonna have to bring back the body. There. And press and pull, we're gonna extrude this to give it a dent. Back here, negative 45 cm, so there's 45 cm of space, or 450 millimeters of space in here, and yeah, so that's a nice shelf in the back. Now what we can do is we can create an indent over here to give us a mattress, and we can leave some storage, not storage, but some like space over here in case you want to just chill on the hardwood, or we can do something with it actually. But I think this time I'm just gonna create a nice bed in the middle, so we're gonna go for let's say we go for 150. So yeah, now we're gonna bring it 2 meters. Yeah, that's perfect. 2 meters. I'm kind of just doing this manually instead of getting the rectangle, which is completely fine. We're just gonna bring that down. Let's say 20 cm also for mattress. Might not be a great mattress, but it is a mattress. If it's 2 cm, 20 cm. Yeah, and I want to just fillet these sides. Actually, I'm not gonna fillet it this time. I'm just gonna leave it. But so yeah, this is a quick bed. In the next video, we're gonna do the drawing. Because I wanted to do the drawing mainly for this part, which I should be able to do now. But yeah, I'll be doing that in 2 weeks because I'm gonna be back on my schedule again. But yeah, hopefully this clears up for the missing videos for the past 2 weeks, I believe. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in another 2 weeks now, or just short of 2 weeks actually. But yep, see you guys.